Got this question from our friend who calls himself DK. He's a young dude who wants to be a basketball player. So he does what any young man with ambition and a goal would do. He gets up every single morning, very early, practices his skill. He gets out there and dribbles the ball before school. He's on the fastest state. He's committed, he's disciplined, he's hardworking. He's put in all the effort that's associated with what it would typically take to reach success. Except he fails. He doesn't make the basketball team, and it's not the first time. You can't figure it out what's going on here. What's keeping me from reaching my goal, although I put everything that I have into it? Am I just doomed to failure for the rest of my life? And he's falling into the depths of depression because of his circumstances, because of his experience. One of the things you gotta understand, my friend, is that you're supposed to fail. You're supposed to fucking fail, because failure is the stepping stone to success. It's not just cliche. You know, that sounds fucking nice. You put it on a Hallmark card, right? Failure is the stepping stone to success. Fuck that poetic shit. You need the logical reason why. Because failure is an experience that lends to wisdom that ultimately makes you a stronger version of yourself. Right now you want to play basketball. Well, it's not in the cards for you. But you know what you discovered? How to be committed, how to be disciplined, how to deny the self so that you can move forward in the direction of your dreams. You've won in that regard. The failure is just a signpost that you're going in the wrong direction. Do you understand? You are discovering something about yourself and you're exercising your character every time you get up and try something, move in the direction of something, even if you don't get the fucking thing. It's not about the thing. It's not about making the basketball team. It's not about making $1 million. It's about what you learn along the way, who you become along the way. It's that fucking journey, and you're on the journey. And guess what? The journey's hard. The journey is riddled with failure, and that's why most people don't do it. Most people aren't willing to get on that journey because they're afraid to fail. You, my friend, have failed. Congratulations. It's the greatest thing that ever happened to you because it shows that you're alive, it shows that you did something, and it shows that you're growing strong. Now go and fucking fail again, bro. I hope you guys that watch these videos, I hope you're gonna fail 1,000 fucking times. Keep going and out there and failing. You know what that means? Every time you fail, it means to me that you're doing something. Go out there and fucking fail.